it's Christina from Redefine Creative, and I am here with a Traveler's Notebook spread, and I am playing with the new Color Me Happy cut files, and these are from scrapbook.com, and they are super fun because they come with cut files that are sized for making your own cards, doing Traveler's Notebooks, working in a planner, doing scrapbook pages. So they have one theme and then cut files that will fit with all of those different kind of ways of creating, which is super fun. And so I'm going to play in the Traveler's Book ones today. And so I've cut out this one that has Color Me Happy in letters down the side. And I want to back just those letters with pink. So I'm going to go off screen and trim around all of those letters. And then I'm going to back it with this black and white kind of like polka dot-ish paper. And this is all from Amy Tangerine's Slice of Life. I will leave some links down below if you want to check out this collection or if you want to grab these cut files from scrapbook.com. They are super, super fun. So there's also this rainbow one. And so I'm thinking that I want to back that with a bunch of really fun colors and include that on the layout as well. And so let me just say, while you're kind of watching me play around with my Traveler's Notebook spread, do you guys ever have a day when it's just not coming together? Like, things are just not working. So today was that day. And I wanted to leave this in here and put this on my channel anyway, because you guys, this is real life. Like, this is it. So my nails are having issues. Yep. There's a bunch of those that are currently like not working or missing, and we're just going with it. And so I back this entire little cut file. It's going to get worse, guys, before it gets better. But please keep watching. So I backed that whole little cut file, and it's very cute, and it's kind of like spacey looking, and it has different colors. And I am pulling all of this inspiration off of Pinterest because today is off the board. And I'm just playing around with this idea of really bright rainbow of colors because it is everywhere on Pinterest. And so that's what I'm playing around with, is just this idea of really bright, fun, happy colors. As in my signature style, I am pairing them with black and white because, you know, it's me. So I'm on the struggle bus currently. I am like, how in the world am I going to get this layout to come together? Because it is just not. So you will notice that I have taken my cute little rainbow that I made away because you guys, sometimes you make something really cute and it's just not working. But it never fails. I've brought it back. I'm going to try it again and see if I can make it work again. So I'm adding a bunch of little stickers and flowers and cute phrases, and I'm like, oh, this is totally going to fix the problem. This is going to make it adorable. And it is adorable, but it is still not working for me. I am just like, oh my gosh, this layout is busy and it's not working, and I'm just not liking it. So I put this little frame behind my photo, and then I'm going to end up moving my photo down a little bit further because I really like this little heart border along the bottom. And like I said, this is all Slice of Life, and it's not a collection issue because this collection is beautiful. This is completely a creator issue. Like, I'm just gonna be honest. I'm kind of struggling here. So I'm adding some more flowers, and I'm like, okay, I like that left page all right. I got a little banner up there that says Craft a Life You Love. It's working. There's some white space. I'm all right with that side. But I'm still thinking this other side is not working. I've got a journaling box. I've got the elements that I need, but it's just not working for me. So I'm going to say, all right, let's just keep going. I'm going to add some enamel dots. And I'm going to add a bunch of enamel dots in all my little clusters, just like I normally would. Granted, they're a little bit big, but I'm adding them. And then I decide, you know what? I don't like that either. So they're all going to go away. I'm going to take them all off. All of them. So I'm like, nope, not working. So I have this picture. And it's a picture of two of my cousins. And I am trying to create some albums to send back to them. They live in Michigan. And their mama is pretty sick. And so I'm trying to kind of create some fun layouts and things where I haven't put any journaling on, but she can go ahead and kind of add some of those stories that she might want to have documented for her girls, but doesn't necessarily have the energy right now or the ability to do that. And so I want these layouts to be a good representation of their photos. I want them to be beautiful. I want them to be things that she is going to be super excited to get in the mail. And so I keep going and I pull off that rainbow that was not working. And I add just a little teeny tiny rainbow above my journaling spot. And I'm good with it. There's a lot of white space, which is not always my thing, but I'm going to go ahead and do some black splatters. And I feel like that tied it together. It brought the layout together. My cute little rainbow is going to end up finding its way onto another project. And it came together. But man, you guys, this one was seriously a struggle. Leave me a comment down below if you're ever working on a project like that so that I know that I'm not alone in being on the struggle bus. Make sure you check out all the links down below for everybody playing along with this Pinterest challenge today, because I guarantee you there's some gorgeous stuff down there from people who are not on the struggle bus like me. Bye, friends.